Congratulations on reaching day 7. By now, you've seen how AI avatars work and why they're becoming such an important tool. One AI skill can open multiple income opportunities. Today, we're exploring how to turn this knowledge into income. How can you turn this skill into income? Businesses need video content every week, and many don't know how to create it. That's where you come in. You can offer services such as social media, video creation, product demonstrations, website welcome videos, and even customer onboarding or online course production. You can also create training videos, internal communications, promotional campaigns, and personal branding videos for clients in any industry. Beyond client work, use AI avatars to grow your own business, launch digital products, and scale your content without constantly being on camera. The opportunities are growing every day for people who learn how to use AI effectively. This is just the beginning of your journey. To recap, you can monetize through high-demand services, growing your own brand, or launching digital products. AI makes it all scalable. Thank you for joining me. If you're ready to master these skills, join the Glad Coaching AI community. We provide the training, coaching, and support you need. Inside, you'll gain access to step-by-step training, AI avatar mastery, weekly coaching sessions, and a supportive global network of entrepreneurs. Don't just watch the AI revolution, be part of it. Comment AI below or click the link in my bio to join us today. I'll see you inside.